Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu, step by step. First, brew about 1½ cups of strong espresso or coffee and set it aside to cool. Next, separate 6 large eggs, placing the yolks into a heat-proof bowl. Add 100 grams of granulated sugar to the yolks. Whisk this mixture over a double boiler until it becomes pale, thick, and reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a safe and delicious base for your dessert. Now let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. In a large bowl, beat 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Carefully fold the cooled egg yolk mixture from the previous step into the mascarpone, ensuring it's well incorporated. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 250 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Finally, gently fold this whipped cream into your mascarpone mixture, creating a light and airy cream. With your components ready, it's time to assemble this delightful dessert. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spread half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over this layer. Repeat these steps, adding another layer of ladyfingers, and then topping with the remaining mascarpone cream. This builds the classic tiramisu structure. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu tightly with plastic wrap. It's crucial to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, simply slice into individual portions and enjoy your perfectly homemade, rich and creamy tiramisu. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.